Imagine, you want to speak English so badly, but every time you open your mouth, your heart starts beating fast and nothing comes out. This is the true story of Riya, a girl just like you and me. Hi friends, welcome to English Storywise. Today's emotional story will teach you powerful English while giving you the courage to speak. If you are shy or afraid of making mistakes, this story is for you. Let's begin. Riya was a 19-year-old girl from a small town. She loved English. She watched movies, listened to songs, but when someone asked her to speak, she became completely silent. One day, her father said, "Riya, I got you a chance to give a presentation in front of 50 people, in English." Riya was terrified. That night she cried and wanted to run away. But her grandmother saw her and said, "Beta, the only way to overcome fear is to face it. Small steps every day." From the next day, Riya started speaking to herself in the mirror. She made mistakes. She felt embarrassed. But she didn't stop. She began recording her voice. At first, her voice was shaking. After 30 days, it became clearer. She joined free-speaking groups online. She spoke even when she was afraid. Finally, the day of the presentation came. Her hands were cold. Her heart was beating fast. But she remembered her grandmother's words. She started speaking, slowly at first, then with more confidence. When she finished, people clapped loudly. After that day, Riya understood something important. Perfect English is not needed. Courage is.